Welcome to Horace Tech Journey.
This is your ultimate destination for tech tutorials and skill development.
Hello, my name is Mohammed Haris. Today, I'm presenting my project, Not Get Bored. You can find me on GitHub as Mohammed Haris Sahab and on EDX as MH241LovindHSGN. I'm based in Karachi, Pakistan, and this video was recorded on January 11th, 2025. This project aims to keep users entertained with innovative and interactive features. Let me show you how it works. This program, Not Get Bored, is an interactive console application that provides entertainment and information through 4 key features. The Maths Facts Entertainer gives you interesting historical or numerical facts about any year. The Country's Capitals Teller tells you the capital city of any country you enter. The Random Memes Generator shares humorous Kanye West quotes. The Useful Quotes Finder delivers insightful quotes to inspire you. Built with Python, it uses APIs to fetch data dynamically. Let's see it in action. Thank you for watching this demonstration of my final project for Harvard University's CS50P course. I hope you enjoyed exploring the features I implemented. Please note that the audio you heard was generated using an artificial intelligence, text-to-speech service, and is not my actual voice. Thank you once again for your time and interest.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.